Top winner in the showcase is Cherie. The runner-up in the showcase is Rebecca. Each of you will have a beautiful showcase of prizes to bid on, and the one of you who bids closer to the actual retail price of your own showcase without going over will win it. May we see the first showcase, please?
Your showcase contains something for every room in the house. And first, for the dining room, this new dining set. Made of Oralite, the table and adjustable chairs are weatherproof, waterproof, non-staining, and chip-resistant from Aurora, a U.S. leisure company. Next, for the den, an oak roll-top desk. This roll-top desk features dovetail drawers, dictation slides, mail slot, brass hardware, file drawer, side rack for envelopes and letters, and has complete locking system with one key. And for the kitchen, this new refrigerator freezer. A Tappan side-by-side two-door refrigerator freezer featuring chilled water dispenser, automatic ice maker, no frost feature in both refrigerator and freezer. And finally, for the living room, a comfortable sofa sleeper. Berkline's queen-size sleeper bed designed for a casual, comfortable lifestyle and a stretch-your living space. This versatile piece features deep pillow backs, padded arms, and oak wood trim from Berkline. And this showcase can be yours if the price is right.
Cherie, you may bid or pass. What will it be?
I think I'll pass.
You will pass, will you? Rebecca, she is passing. What are you bidding?
I'll say $5,500.
How much?
$5,500.
$5,500 is her bid on that showcase. Cherie, this showcase is for you.
Your showcase features prizes revealed as we explore the world of sound effects. And we'll start with the most interesting sound effect from the collection of our sound technician, Holly. And she picked up that sound by recording the action on this new train set. This LGB model is larger than the average models, comes complete with track, transformer, locomotive, 2 passenger cars, and 4 figures. The sound effect you're listening to now is recorded just last weekend when Holly stopped by her friend's house who was cooking hamburgers on a new barbecue. Charbroil, mid-size and portable gas barbecue grills for outdoor cooking. Constructed of weather-resistant aluminum and steel. Enjoy cookouts in your backyard or travels from Charbroil. Can you folks guess where this delightful sound comes from? Our technician picked it up while enjoying a new hot tub. For healthful relaxation, a spa from Muskin, a division of U.S. Leisure. Muskin's Redwood Spa is vinyl lined for comfort and easy maintenance. It comes complete with filter, heater, ladder, rim deck, and redwood cover. Now for the mystery sound effect. This unique sound was provided by our specialist in the world of sound effects when she was lucky enough to handle the keys to this new Corvette. The new Corvette, all new wind tunnel design fiberglass body, 350 Crossfire V8 engine, automatic transmission, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, power windows and hatch, and all the other standard equipment, plus California emissions. And this showcase featuring prizes revealed as we explore the world of sound effects can be yours if the price is right.
Cherie, it sounds as if the audience would like to help you make up your mind on this bid. Are you ready to give me a bid?
$25,500.
$25,500 is your bid. A bid of $5,500 from Rebecca, and this for you. Cherie, your bid is $25,500 on your showcase, and the actual retail price is $27,595. A difference of $2,095. That's a very good bid with that much involved there. $2,095. You must be closer, Rebecca, without going over to win your showcase. Your bid is $5,500. Rebecca, the actual retail price of your showcase is $6,349. You win with a difference of only $849. That was an excellent bid. Thank you, Cherie. Hope you had fun. Good. Now, we're going to go over there and have a look at those prizes. Would you like that?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Michigan.
How are you going to get all those prizes back to Michigan?
Good question.
We'll work that out for you. Bob Barker reminding you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Goodbye, friends.
This is Johnny Oates speaking for The Price is Right. A Mark Goodson television production.